Now, why multi-R concept is required? What do you mean by the multi-R concept, first of all? Now, before introducing multi-R concept, how Oracle Apps is going to helping? After introducing multi-R concept, how Oracle is going to helping to the business? Okay. Uh, can you put on mute, Sachin, if it is possible?
Yeah.
Right. So now, multi-R concept. Previously in 11i, we don't have a multi-R concept. R12, they are going to introduce multi-R concept. Okay, in 11i, suppose if you want to run the report or if you want to access any, if you want to submit any program, if you want to submit any program, okay, any program, you need to, okay, what we have to do? If you want to submit any program, what we can do? We have to always switch to that specific responsibility. Switch to that specific responsibility, specific operating unit. Switch to that specific operating unit, specific OU, and you can submit. Operating unit and can submit. Can submit. Suppose I am in US operating unit. Okay, I'm going to running my program. That is fine. Next, immediately the same program I want to run into the Indian operating unit. What I need to do? I need to change the from that operating unit to this operating unit, and we will going to change it. Understood? Coming to multi-R concept is enabled. You can going to submit a program in any operating unit. Multiple operating units it's supported. Multiple operating units, multiple OUs supported. Understood? No need to switch to one operating to another operating and all. Directly we can able to submit it for all the programs. The specific program we can run it for a single window. You can change it the operating unit and you can going to submit the program. Okay, that is a major concept. So we're going to see now multi-R concept level. What are the steps it will come? See, if you want to set up any company. See, initially, suppose I started my business, I'm running my business. How I'm going to dividing? Suppose my business is running 3 different countries. What I will do? First, I need to set up my business group. Okay, set up the business group. Set up business group. Okay, here we'll going to divide it into different business groups. This is suppose if you see any big clients like General Motors, General Electrics, it's big companies who are going to running their business more than 100 years. Okay, so they have their business in all the countries. Okay, all the countries, L&T like this. It's these type of clients. They are going to running the business in almost each and every country. Almost it's 60 countries, 70 countries. They are going to running their businesses. So how they will going to monitoring in all the business? How they will monitor? Any idea how they will going to do it? So they are going to dividing their business groups into different region wise. So after that, now suppose India business group, no, Asia specific business group, they will going to create it. Under Asia Pacific Business Group, again they are going to creating next legal entities. Next, legal entity. Legal entity. What do you mean by legal entity? Legal entity is nothing but we are going to paying the tax to the government under the legal entity. Understood? Business group I created. Okay, business group I created a Asia specific business group. Now legal entity I'm going to creating Indian legal entity. Okay, Malaysia legal entity, Singapore legal entity. Okay, at the same time Sri Lanka legal entity. Like this, we are going to creating legal entities. Under legal entity, what are the things you're going to set up? So under legal entity, we are going to create the 4 C's. 4 C's is nothing but a 4 C's. 4 C's: currency, calendar, chart of account. Chart of account. See, the key flex fields level, we are seeing this only. We are created chart of account only. Okay. And subledger accounting. Subledger. These 4 are the importance. Now, Sachin, can you tell me why you need to set up currency in legal entity level? One currency is enough, right? Why you want to do it in legal entity level, multiple currencies? So, because, let me will explain you. Here it is, business group is Asia specific business group. Coming to legal entity, we have each country wise legal entity is there. Because we need to pay the taxes to the government, and we need to follow the as per government rules and regulations. See, government rules and regulations means what is the in local currency is there, so we have to pay the tax on under local currency only. And again, we need to follow the calendar of the local calendar, Indian calendar. We need to follow. Again, see, in Indian calendar also, again they are going to dividing the state-wise calendars also, region-wise calendars also. They will going to divide it. If you observe, see, suppose local some priority festivals like public holidays, it will come at that time. They have to follow their calendars. Understood? So that is the reason each and every country having their own calendar. The same calendar it is going to business is applicable. So how they are going to dividing? They are going to dividing international holidays, national holidays, local holidays. So they are going to covering all the holidays based on the priority. Set up the see what the calendar you set up. So based on that calendar only, all the transactions, each and every transaction, it is going to running. I'm not talking about leave calendar, leave policy calendar. I'm talking about the business calendars. Okay, keep on mind. Business calendar means they are going to set up if it is 24/7 support at the time, their calendar is different again. Understood? Keep in mind. Next is chart of accounts. So chart of accounts already I told you in Qplex fields level. See, again I will tell you. Now Indian chart of account is different. Malaysia chart of account is different. Why? So what are the transactions it is going to happening in India? We will going to list out to Indian chart of account. What are the transactions is happening in Malaysia? They are going to using their chart of accounts. And subledger accounting.
Koti, are all 4Cs different for different countries, right? Or
sorry, come again.
So currency calendar, chart of accounts, and subledger accounting, they're all separate for okay.
Separate for each and every legal entity.
Yeah.
It's not same for the two different legal entities. That itself it is not possible. If it is possible, when it is all the same. See, suppose if you take in UK, we are going to see so many small countries. Understood? Those all the countries, the currency, calendar, and the paying tax paying department, if all are in same, okay, at that time, then we're going to use same one. Okay, so that is the one. Next thing is going to uh, we people got it right now. Subledger accounting. The subledger accounting also, this is introduced in R12. In 11i we don't have. In 11i what we are going to doing? We people are observed or not? When we are going to doing O2C or P2P or back-to-back order or draft shipment order, this processes, when we create a invoice, immediately we are posting into GL. Accounting we done, we posted to GL. Directly we are posting. Understood? There is no subledger accounting concept. Subledger accounting, it is went to warning and directly we posted into GL. But in R12 version, if you are enable the subledger accounting, then we have to first post into subledger accounting. From subledger accounting to GL, general ledger, it will move. Why means, say, because the GL going to have handling all the things. Okay, GL is going to how AP related all the transactions will come. Yeah, AR transactions will come. Okay, as well as and PA project accounting related transactions will come, and it will come under suppose CM it is not there. Okay, if any other transactions you can see these three modules, what are the transactions happening in each and every transaction we need to settle down into GL. In the GL level only all the things it is settled. The final end of the day they want to see, they will going to take the report, how much profit it is coming, how much loss or how much net profit or gain percent, everything they are going to calculate it in their that level only. Now, if people going to think about, sir, we have different countries, so we want to see so all the countries in single report. At that time, they will going to do it their customizations. Even if it is a huge volume, it will come at that time. They will going to do it their customization. If it is a small business means suppose our business is running 10 countries, that is fine. We can able to handle it. If our business is running more than 50 countries, so it's huge, right? Every quarter we want to see that settlement, and every month also we want to see that. So at the time they will going to one more application or something, they will going to find it for their solutions. So all the countries, each and every transaction, it is going to settle in GL. Okay. But 11i level, what will happen? Directly all the transactions it is settled into the GL, but coming into R12 level, first it is going into subledger, and again subledger level it is doing one more validation. It's all the transactions are valid, then you are from subledger to it is moving into GL. Okay, keep on mind. Now this is the legal entity. Next it is going to operating units. Operating units. Now, operating unit is nothing but a where we are going to operating. That specific area you are going to taking, specific business area you are taking, and you are considered as a one operating unit. Okay. So this is going to working. Suppose, say my business group is going to India. My legal entity is going to Indian legal entity. My operating unit is going to suppose KA, Karnataka region, or else, excuse me. Now I am going to dividing four operating units. Okay, suppose Delhi operating unit. I'm going to covering 4-5 states under that operating unit. Bangalore operating units. Here we are going to covering 3-4 states like this. So we will going to create multiple operating units like this way. Next, it is going to inventory organizations. Inventory organization. Inventory organizations. Now, inventory organization, again one operating unit having multiple inventory organizations. Suppose I created a south operating unit. So again the inventory organizations I'm going to putting, see, think about, see, suppose this manufacturing companies, and manufacturing companies means you can take any car manufacturing companies. See, they are not going to putting all the places as inventories. They have the operating unit, one operating unit, big inventory. Production manufacturing unit is only one place. From that place level, they are moving into main inventory organization. From the main inventory organizations to, again they are going to moving into sub inventory organizations. Sub inventory. Sub inventory is nothing but like a warehouse. Okay. And then we can going to see the locators. It's for small parts, locators and items. We're going to do the setups. Yes, we have few questions now. I will ask few questions now. Now tell me, Padmini, see here it is. Is it possible to add it to multiple legal entities under the single business group? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, right. And next question is, okay, one operating unit having multiple legal entities?
No.
No, it's not at all possible, that is. Okay, again, Sachin, can you tell me? One legal entity having multiple operating units?
Yes, possible.
Right. Yeah. Shabanathan, now tell me this. Is it going to single inventory organization having multiple operating units?
No,
Single inventory organization having multiple operating units? What you said?
single unit, how do multiple
No,
inventory?
it's not possible. Okay.
Okay.
Reverse is not possible. Only, see, business group having multiple legal entities, one legal entity having multiple operating units, one operating in having multiple inventory organizations, one inventory organization having multiple sub inventories. Okay, it's possible. This is the way. Okay. Now we're going to see the few of the setups. So already I shared this document. One second. So this is called as multi-R concept. So the same thing we are going to explaining here. Business group, okay, ledger sets, legal entity, operating unit, inventory organizations. So we are seeing that. So same structure it is. Whatever the structure I explained there, same. See, suppose India business group, India legal entity, USA legal entity, okay, India ledger, USA ledger. See, suppose again AP, and it is going to operating unit, California operating unit, inventory, Hyderabad inventory. Inventory is southern and northern California. We are going to, that is, it's a one simple example. Okay. Now, what is mean by business group? How it's going to applicable? This is what is ledger? Ledger is nothing but a under ledger. Ledger is nothing but a legal entity only. Ledger. Sorry, 1 second. Let me add one point I missed out here. Legal entity creation means this is comes under the ledger. Ledger setup level. Okay, legal entity level only ledger setup. It comes under that. Okay, legal entity you can call. Right now, fine, right? So next, what we can do, we're going to do the uh, ledgers, legal entity, operating units. So all I'm going to explain. Please try to gone through this document. Okay, already I shared with everyone. Right, before going to starting this, so what are the setups are required? We need to do those all the setups before. So in business group already we created a. These setups are very important. Currency, calendar, chart of account setups are required. Now the chart of account setup already we done in previous class. So now currency and calendar setup, so we will do now. So what is the calendar setup? Calendar setup is go to GL, financials, calendar and types. But this work will not come to you most of the cases, but keep on mind this navigation as well as backend tables. Backend tables is very important. Okay, where the currency is stored, where the calendars are stored, where operating units are stored, those things are very important. Right, now go to general ledger, setup, next calendar, right, financials, calendars, type. So first you need to define the type of the calendar, what type of calendar you want. Now you can see already existed calendar types. See now 13 period calendar, okay, 16 period calendar. You can see some different type of calendar types we have. Okay, sir, why we need this number of calendars? Now every business they are going to doing, they will going to set up their business. The setups they are going to. 1 second. Right. Now here, why they need different type of calendars? See, suppose if you are running a big business means we need to every month we need to open the calendars, the future calendar, and they will going to close the current calendar. Suppose now this is going to, now July is coming now. July means in June 30th it is the quarter close, it is going to happen. Quarter means it is April, May, June. 3 months, one quarter they will going to consider. Okay. January, February, March. From March 1, that quarter is going to close. What they will do? They are going to checking the all the transactions happened for that specific quarter, and they will going to announce the that quarter level results, how much profit is coming. See, if people are going to observe each and every company announcing the results in each and every quarter, how much transactions is happened, what is the profit, okay, what is the net growth value, everything they are going to announcing. How they will going to announcing? Is there any idea? Such an any idea how they will announce? See, suppose they are running business 40 countries, how they are going to calculating this all the things within a 1 week of time, and they will going to announce.
They have accounting information.
Correct. In accounting information, how they will going to consolidate it for all the countries? Is it possible to consolidate it in Excel sheets?
No, because we have seen that in backend they are only taking one table, right? There is something different in some values, but ultimately
In
they
Oracle
can.
apps, what it is going to helping? Any idea, Padmini?
Roll it up.
Pardon?
I mean, it has to roll it up to one higher unit level.
No. In the just today class also I told. In today class also I told. No, why we are going to moving each and every transaction to GL? Why we are going to moving the AP transactions, AR transactions, PA transactions, all financial transactions we are moving into GL. GL is the module to find storing each and every transactions, reporting. Transactions report we will going to see in GL level only. Simply they are going to finishing all the transactions on this specific quarter and they will going to run that report. Understood? In that report itself, they will going to see how much profit is coming, how much business is running, how many transactions are happened, what is the net value of the dollar value, okay, and what is the growth rate. Everything you can see in that report itself. Now it is clear or still confusion is there? Sachin, is it clear now?
Yeah, yeah.
Understood, right? Same thing I told multiple times. We are going to settle down into each and every transaction in GL. In GL level, say, why we need to settle down means, see, suppose few of the invoices are pending. What we will do? We need to correct that invoices if it is any issue. We need to settle down into GL. When? So settle down and next what we will do? We will going to close that calendar. Let me create a calendar, then I will tell you how to close, how to open the calendars. Okay, right. Now here we will going to, we need to take the type of the calendar type. Calendar type I'm going to taking, suppose next is 13 period I'm going to taking. Why 13 period is required? Only year wise how many months it is coming? 12 months. But why you need a 13? The year end, okay, the year end level, at the time, if whenever you want to adjust 13, okay, it's already exist, okay, that's fine. So if it's already exists, then you can going to 1 second. Hi, sorry. Right. So here I'm going to changing our calendar. It's already 13 calendar we created. Once you created one type of calendar, you can't create same calendar into one more. Okay. I'm going to changing into XX GLT. Okay. Now we can save it. Now where it is going to storing these calendars, calendar types, record history, you can see. GL period types. All period types it's going to periods calendar types are going to stored in GL period types level. Okay, you can see period types. All period types it's going to stored here. Month or quarter or 21 or 13 or type it's you can see that. And next now you can go and do the setup of calendar accounting. Now your own calendar. See if it's already existed calendars you can see. See 16 calendar for see this again. This is also one of right ABC. This is a different type of calendars. You can see main one we are going to using accounting calendar. Okay. See now here it is. These are the different type of calendars. So we're going to set up our own calendar now. Okay. Right. So plus you can click on the plus. So GLT underscore cal. This is GLT underscore cal, our own calendar. Or else if you want put it XX GLT underscore cal. Now this is going to we are created, okay. This calendar is used for 13 periods, 13 period type. Okay. Now prefix we are going to creating. First one is John type. What is the type? Our calendar type XX, not XX period type. Now you are created, right? 13 period. This is we created. Year is 2018. See, I am going to set up in the calendar. Okay. Next, which quarter it is? January is going to first quarter. Number is going to 1. And then next it is from which date to which date you want to do setup. Okay. So now this is going to from January to, okay, 1 second. In January we can move into July, June, May, April. 1 second. January 1st to, you can click on OK. And 31st of Jan 2018. So this is the way you can going to do the setup. Next it is going to FIB, FIB, FIB. Again it's going to 13 period or simply monthly also you can take it. Okay, monthly or 13 period or type is your depends on yours. Even monthly also we're going to use 13 period only. Let me change it. No problem. XX so monthly you can the quarter is 1. Okay, number is going to second month, first of Feb to 2018 to what is the date? Is it leap year? Okay, 28 days. Okay, now even you can put it in monthly also. See, month calendar also you can take. Month also it will going to that specific. Sorry, one. Here it is going to month also you can take it. Okay, this is the way you can follow. Sorry, month 2. So you need to set up like this way for all the months. 2000.
Kuti, what is the information there in type month?
We created before coming to here, right?
Yeah,
Let
you
me
change
show.
something in that.
Yeah. Let me show you. Don't confuse. Okay, nothing. It is there. Okay, March 2018 to 30th of March, 31st, right? March 2018. So this is the one. So now I saved it. XXGLT calendar. Keep in mind this is okay. Now you are asking type, right? Type is see
Yeah.
type. They are going to using in different their types are going to see every country they are going to following their own types. Understood? 13 periods. 13 periods means they are going to doing what they are going to doing. Here it is month wise one period they are using. The extra 13 period they are going to using for the adjustments. See, suppose in year end level, for the transaction, all the transactions are happened in 17, but the payment we need to do it in 18. How they will do? Understood? So at the time, what they will do, they are going to using that adjustment period, 13 period they will use, and they will going to close all the transactions under that particular period. See, suppose some people are going to putting 16 period. 16 periods they are using. How, why they are going to using? Each month one period they are using. Okay, every quarter they are going to closing, right? Every quarter we need to announce the results, right? So suppose now this quarter is going to coming here, June quarter. Okay, in June quarter, what they will do? What are the transactions are happened in April, May, June? If it is any pending transactions are there, they will going to taking one extra period. They will going to close on that particular extra period level. Now, how many quarters in the year? 4, right?
Yeah.
4 extra adjustment periods they are going to using. Clear? So if you see here, most of the things are you can see in 13. Understood?
Yeah.
Most of the things are 13. The adjustment period is they are going to be using in year end. Understood? See, few of the things they are going to using in 12 itself. 12 is going to just its normal calendar. Understood? See, this is the 12 plus 1. See, this is ABC fiscal calendar 12 plus 1. Adjust ADJ means adjustment. That extra one is adjustment period. Okay. See, you can see multiple, right?
Yes.
All are you are seen in maximum. This is suppose 11, 12, 12 if you are taking, that is standard calendar. There is no adjustment and all. So I took it month, right? So even if you can see month also same calendar. 1 second, let me move on to the month. See, these all KK, KR, Kishore, these all we only created. Okay, so many types we are going to create it like this. See here, month calendar, not small letters, month calendar. 1 second. See, 13 calendar. Understood?
Yes.
That is the reason I changed it. So from hour to that. Okay. Right. If you want your own calendar also, you can create it. No problem. See, let me create one own calendar. Setup. What is that? GLT. GLT. Cal type.
Cal type.
That's enough. Now periods. 13 periods I want. This is going to. This is 12 plus 1. 12 plus 1. 12 plus 1. So normal plus 1. Normal. 12 is normal. 12 plus 1 is adjustment. 1 is adjustment type. Understood? Create
Yes.
type. So we're done. Now you can save it. GLT cal type. Keep on mind. Now we're going to accounting, and then you can query. What is this? XX GLT
GLT. Cal.
cal. Now you can going to do the changes. So this once you set up already done, right? So you can't modify now. It's already submitted.
Okay.
These things you can't change it now. So next thing you can able to pick it. Suppose GLT, you can pick it. Coming right? So you can pick it.
Yes.
But why you want to do two different type of calendars in single? Okay, I'm taking as of now one only. Okay. So now we are going to taking month 18. The similar way you can set up. Now what is the quarter? April.
Second.
Second quarter
Okay.
on
Second quarter.
4. So similar way try to create it. Okay. So March 2018. This is going to 30 of sorry April, right? Even it will not take. See, it will give the error. If you are doing wrong, but try to save. See, only adjustment period can overlap with another accounting period. Okay, it should not going to overlap. APR, you can save it. Now, similar way you can do it all the setups. Okay, where it is going to saving, it is going to GL periods. All are going to stored under GL periods. Just simply GL periods. Okay, this is the information you can see. Our calendar also you can see. What is our period name? Period underscore name, like not
Jan
period.
18.
Not period name. One second. GL periods view, right? We'll see. This is period name. No, period name is different. 1 second. Period set name. Period set name. Understood? Not period name. Period name is the year you need to take it. Understood? Period set name. Set name like what is this?
XXGLT. XXGLT %.
Right. XXGLT %. See?
Yeah.
All of you clear, right? So what about Shavanathan and Padmini?
Yes, okay.
Yeah.
So next, I will going to finish it next setups. I mean, now it is April, right? May, June, July, August, September, October, December. I will do the setup and overlapping setup. That is one more adjustment period is there, right? Adjustment period. I will show it to you. I will do the setup and I will show it to you. Only adjustment period is only one day we are going to doing. Here it is 1 month we are taking, right? That is one day we are taking for the adjustment 13 period. That is only 31st of December 2018. Okay. That adjustment period you need to check plug here. So all of you try this. Okay. Fine. Hello.
Yeah. Yes,
Understood.
yes.
Understood,
Yes.
right? What I'm saying.
Yeah.
Yeah. So simply you can set up, but there is no big task here, right? Simply you can going to do the setup like this. Second one, fifth. So 01 May 2018. Okay. 31st May 2018. Okay. Now it is going to June, June month 2018. It's going to second quarter. It's going to sixth month, 01st June 2018. 30th, right? Only
Mm.
simply July, July. Otherwise, just JUL is enough. Short name is yours, how you want look like, but you need to follow the standard naming conventions. Third quarter, right? July 701 hyphen JUL July. No, it's JUL 31st of July 2018. So next is going to August month calendar. Sorry. 2018. So third quarter, it's eighth month. 01 hyphen August 2018. 31st August 2018. September month calendar. 2018. Is it third quarter only, right? September also. Now ninth 01 hyphen 2018. So how many days? 30 or 31st?
30.
Oh, right. September 2018. So now click on plus button here. September OCT month. Okay. 2018. Next it is going to fourth. Right. So 10th of 01 hyphen OCT hyphen 2018. Right. 31st of OCT 2018. Okay. Even you can tab it automatically, it will come. November month calendar 2018. Fourth calendar 11/01 hyphen November 2018. 30th of November. December. DEC. Month calendar. So this is the new calendar setup. Like this way, people are going to doing the new calendar setup. Okay. Now it is going to 12th 01 of DEC. It's going to 2018, and then it is going to 31st of December 2018. Okay. So the final 13 keyword, 13 one we need, right? ADJ adjustment month. So you can take this one and 2018 only. 13. This is comes under fourth quarter only. Again, this is going to 13. So this is for only 31st December. Only one day. That adjustment we are going to doing all the adjustments. December 2018. So this is the one. This is going to overlapping. This is going to overlapping. Now you can save it. All transactions are saved now. Now you can close it. See, this is the validating it is doing. Yes. One of the program is going to submit it. Backend, all periods are going to validating. See this. Calendar validations, it is going to running. It's completed. Okay. Now completed. So now you can see this into backend. Okay. Tomorrow we're going to see this is 13 types are coming. Periods are created. Period types are created. Okay. Next tomorrow we will going to see currency creation, and then next currency. See, this is very important. Tomorrow how to open all these periods also I will going to show you. Next session we will see those things. In one session we will going to finish it, next session level, but try to practice it. If any questions, please ask me now. Fine.
Sure.
Right.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye.